Okay, let's go.
I say good morning to you. Morning, morning, good morning. I say good morning to you. Morning, morning, good morning. I say good morning to you.
Morning guys, let me greet you properly this time. It's a Saturday morning. I'm done with preparations. The rents are coming. Then I'm going to an event. I'll leave the poster here. I'm going to this event. And I'm super late. Not late. I'm not late. They are late. So I feel like Nkapara leather jacket because we'll be riding. Oh, that's my song, guys. Oh. Oh guys, I want to do this prank. Ne? This prank. So kita tap into macaroni. I wanna test first story. I'm sure you have seen this challenge trending on social media, TikTok. So I wanna do it to my parents. So I wanna see if kita gonna who catch this thing. Oh, super hard. Second try. Yeah. I'll tell you now. Kopa unkete mnala kitile kisishab. Ha? Go. Okay, let me keep 2 of this. Let me keep 2 of this. Okay guys, I'll have to hide the camera. I don't know where, but okay, I pretend I vlog. Plus, she doesn't mind being part of my vlog, so I'm safe. I'm safe. Guys, sad thing is that I don't know if it's a sad thing or what, but whenever my mom comes to my place, she always asks for location. She always asks for location. I don't know, guys. I get to Irauring. Is she that forgetful to even forget the directions to my place? Or maybe it's still a new place in her mind. I hope you guys can hear me. Sister Bettina. It's been a while since I applied makeup, like eyebrows, so forth. Oh, it's been a minute. I feel like I'm applying this. Wow. And I can't even dance to save my life. Joe. The boo. Ay. Oh. Oh, guys, they are here. They are here. Guys, I'm starting to act. Dumelang. Le jang? Teng. Oh, lona mehla ya ha le tla le kopa location.
Ke nna ke moraka la tlogele ntho ya hae wa o rata o tlo.
Hi girl.
O na le WhatsApp e ngata ke ba ke data.
La la ka bohloko. O robetse jwa. Ke se ka misitse mlala.
Nna le nna ba ke robetse.
O tlo ngotlolla hanyane. Ona na le ntho wa itse mona.
Ke ja go tletse le papa
Papa ka eng?
ka seo sa maobane
Semnati.
se ne re ja
E re kunse. Ba.
ke tlo re bana hae today
Bese o botsa maneng.
tosa
O se sa nna koma.
o tla nthola
Ke mabu o ke nna ka re le tshwere batho ka morao.
o tla nthola
Ke tlo tla o seng ka
se
sena
le
se.
reng ya go mo metsa mo
Ha o hle. Ne ke tlo vloga mna tori.
re ke o tla tla di ona marata o ka mande o wa ya o ke le kwa morao
E ke mang?
ke ya
O chemme. Oh, thank you. Ke what? Motho na le motse wa hae. Ba re tshela ho khutlisa. Guys, they brought me a cupboard, a kitchen cupboard. In the meantime, I'm waiting for the landlord to install the wall cupboard. So it's just for temporary. Virus. It's a boy entity. Kapana le refill. But I'm just going to buy a new one. Okay.
mona la ba go etsa o tla ke ka mogano
O ne a titse.
go le maditse
Yeah.
nna ke re ke meno go tlhoko khwini le rata go tshwariwa mane keng go tlhoko
Oh, so cool.
Tshwantse o dule o etsa so.
Hi guys, we're here at the Clean Kings. We're at the Clean Kings. My parents dropped me off and I'm super scared to be on the bicycle. It's been years, so don't blame me. It's been years and I don't know how I'm going to pull this through, because one thing that I know is that they will be traveling a long distance and I don't know how it's gonna go with me being scared and
Manje niyifihla manje niyifihla ngeke ngisezo ngizokhulumayo manje. Konke ngikhuluma emva kwenu. Ngingayifihli.